First thing to do is beat 4 eggs at room temperature until they're nice and pale, okay? Just like that. Now I'm going to add 2 cups of sugar. We're only gonna mix that. I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons of vanilla and a cup of melted unsalted butter. Don't overbeat it, just mix it. So finally I'm gonna add 1 1/4 cups of sifted unsweetened cocoa, half a cup of sifted flour, and a teaspoon of salt. And we're only gonna mix this in. We're not gonna beat it for a while, nothing, just mix it in. All right, these are gonna bake at a very low oven, 300 degrees for 45 minutes, and then we'll take them out. We're gonna wait for a good 3 hours before we cut these, okay? I want to cool them down completely before we cut them. Look how moist these brownies are, guys. They're chewy and moist. They're not cakey. They're super fudgy. Oh, man.